So I already have my 18 inches and this is it. So now we're going to be separating the front panel from the back panel. So this is, we have this on a straight line. It's not looking bent or slanty or curvy, so it's on a straight line. So as long as you have your one double crochet into the chain three space, then into the third chain, then you have this. So now the next thing to do now is to separate the front panel from the back panel, but let's take our measurements. So this is 18 inches length here, which is the inches minus from my armhole. So I have 18 inches here. So now we're going to be creating the armhole. So all we need to do is to divide this to into equal parts to get the midpoints. You're going to go in with your stitch marker and place stitch marker into the midpoints here and also here. Then take our measurements to confirm if it's the midpoints. So from this point now to this point is 9 inches. Is 9 inches, and also this to this is also 9 inches. So we're going to count the number of stitches to make sure it's equal. So I have 38 stitches here and also 38 stitches here to make it an even number. So now this is the half of the front panel and this is also half of the front panel, while this is the back panel. So all we need to do now is work on the front panel. So 1 2 into the third. Like I said, you skip this because this is a stitch. So 1 2, then you continue and just end the row where you have your stitch marker. One double crochet, which is already the chain 5, then you end it with one double crochet. So we are going to end 2 stitches before the stitch marker. I have a total of 13 rows here to complete my sleeve length. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So the next thing to do now is to end with single crochet. So I'm going to be ending the row with single crochet. So chain 1, then going with single crochet round. Into slip stitch, chain 2, then cut. So now that we are done with the sleeve, so this is it. So it's back to the 9 inches now. From 10 inches, it's back to 9 inches. Back to 9 inches. And I have it done on this part also. So now I'm going to be working on the collar. So I have 19 inches here. So I'm going to go in with 1 double crochet into all of the stitches. So chain 3. Two double crochets into the chain 2 space. 1 double crochet into each of the double crochet. We are still repeating the same thing. 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. 1 double crochet each. So going with your 1 round of double crochet. So now this is it. Going to chain 3, turn. I have another row of double crochet. So now you place a double crochet into the first stitch and go in 1 double crochet into every stitch until you are okay with your collar length. Chain 3 space. You're going to have 2 double crochets. Just as you have it here. So chain 3. There won't be an increase on this row. So it's 1 row of increase, 1 row of no increase. So it's just going to be one. This counts as a stitch. So place your double crochet into the next stitch. To be able to know what you the number of stitches you have on this line, then you are going to count the number of stitches on this. So for this part, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a total of 85 stitches here. So which means I'm going to have the same 85 stitches on this line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into the last stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 1 or 2, then cut into the same stitch, going with your last. So now I'm done with my single crochet into all of the stitches across all the edges. So which means I have 6 rows of single crochet each. And this is our shirt. So you're going to go in with your button. for the sleeve. This is the sleeve. So this is it. So now we are going to take our measurements. Still remains 42 inches, which is 21 inches on fold, and the total length. So the length is now 27.5 inches. So go ahead with your button, and this is the end of our shirt.